So now let's see how we can work around with camera animation inside of Blender. So in order to work around with camera animation, you can see that I already have a scene right here and I want to do a camera animation now. And to do that, I'm going to go around onto the animation tab right here. Let me just turn on the rendered view so that it actually looks good on the both end. So here on the left side, you can see the camera and camera view right here. And here on the right side, you can see that there's the main work area. So this is the camera as you can see. So if I were to press T on my keyboard, I get the regular move tool and everything. So you can move around the camera right here. And just as with any other object, you can set keyframes and then work around with this over here. So you can go around right here, let's say rotate it. You can move around right here to the back and so forth and then work around with it. So another thing that you can do is you can also go around and then enable this little icon right here, go around into view and enable camera to view right here. So I'm just going to go around right here. So once I enable camera to view, what happens is that it'll take the camera. So I'm just going to go around and press 0 on my num key so that my camera is active on the left side. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to view, enable camera to view, and what it will do is it'll allow me to control the viewport as if I was controlling out the work area. So I'm just going to go around right here and then let's just go around over here. So if I were to use my scroll mouse, my movement, you can see that it actually moves around right here. So as I move, you can see that the camera actually moves over here. So that is when I enable this tool right here. So if I were to go around into camera to view, this is what happens. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go around and add an auto keyframe right here, do a little movement just like this by adding onto the camera right here. There's the auto keyframe as you can see. So if I were to go around into another frame and then move around my camera, let's say for example just like this, you can see that an animation is recorded right over here on the camera. You can zoom in a bit over here as well and there you go, you got this kind of an animation. Similarly, you can zoom out, you can rotate around, and then this is what you have as you can see. So as I play around, you can see that the camera animation is there. It zooms out, it rotates out and so forth, and the camera animation is recorded out right here. So, and you can also make minor adjustments by going on over here, moving out the camera according to how you like from this view as well. And then work around in the way you want. So just go around right here, go around onto the side, and there you go. So if I were to play this, you can see that there's subtle camera animation all over. It goes on to the top, goes on to the side, rotates around and so forth. And that is how camera animation gets applied. So that is how you can do camera animation inside of Blender. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share and subscribe.